Bonjour à tous, hi everyone, and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 2, Leçon C. Okay, so let's see what we'll discover in this lesson. And we'll discover a quite useful thing, because in Leçon B, if you remember carefully, I did introduce the numbers till 9, and then we'll continue, so from 10 to 20. Okay, de 10 à 20. Okay, so let's start now. 10. Okay, so remember, final X here is pronounced like S. 10. 10. Okay, then 11. 11. Okay, so O plus N give you the sound on. 11. 11. Okay, final E doesn't exist phonetically. 11. Okay, 12. 12. O-U, the two together will give you the sound OO. Okay, and then Z. 12. 12. Alright? Then now if you combine this E and E, you get the sound E, really open. 13. 13. Final E, as usual, not pronounced. 13. 13. Okay? Then here, 14. So remember, Q and U here, well, basically you've got to put this U vowel, because that's the rule in French, even if you don't pronounce it. Okay, so you will get the sound K here. K. 14. 14. Okay, same thing here. U doesn't exist, so 15. 15. 15. Alright, IN, nasal, so it's 1. 1. 15. 15. Okay, then it continues, of course. Now you get this 16. 16. Same thing, final E doesn't exist. 16. E and E together, they give you the sound E, really open. 16. 16. Okay, then it becomes logical now, because if you look carefully, you've got this 10, okay, 10, and then 7. So if you remember this, it's here, it's 10, and then 7. Okay, so it's clear. But then for the pronunciation, 17. Okay, so you don't insist on the S. 17. 17. 17. Okay, then 18. So you will make this little link between the two, the liaison. 18. 18. 18. Okay, then 19. 19. 19. Okay, E-U-E 9. 9. 9. 19. And the last one, so this G letter is here, but you don't pronounce it. Okay, and then final T doesn't exist phonetically either, so basically you will only need to pronounce these 3 letters. So you've got V, V, and then you've got nasal, IN, 1. 20. 20. 20. Okay, I hope everything was clear. Well, you can sorry, you can check for the next lesson on YouTube, and that's the place where you can go. And then the website is here as well. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.